Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear and knife reviews. If you like that kind of content, subscribe to the channel. All right, folks, we have something new in front of us from Wixco. We've reviewed Wixco before. So far, they've been very good. And this is a new one from them. This is the Wortex. And let's open up and see what we have. We obviously have a box that the U.S. Postal Service decided to kick around and beat on. So hopefully everything inside is okay. And yes, because they send it in this nice padded pouch. Unlike a lot of companies, they don't use that standard black pouch. They use this gray colorway, which I like. They give you that beautiful morale patch on there with their logo. One of my favorite logos in the knife business. Let's open it up, see what we have. All right, when you open up, one of the first things you see is microfiber cloth. Always handy. Then they have their card, which has their logo, and on the back side, they're saying, "We passionately present high-quality knives in a dynamic, youthful style. Join us to explore the alluring beauty of EDC toys." And yes, these are EDC toys. All right, let's get that out of here. Let's open it up and see what we have. So first thing you're going to see is that beautiful blue shredded carbon. That is a great material for a handle. Just strikingly beautiful. All right, let's open her up. And what you have here is a hawkbill blade, thumb stud deployable, their logo right on the pivot. It's a captive pivot, which is awesome. You've got your G10 backspacer with a place for a lanyard. Your clip is a deep carry clip that is reversible. So they're showing lefties and righties love. A rare thing nowadays. This is not a big knife. This is one of their compact knives. For me, it's about a 3.5 finger grip, as you can see there. Some really nice jimping right here. Thumb stud is adjustable, so you can move that back and forth to make it to your real liking, which I like that option. You know, so far for me, it seems pretty good on that first initial opening. Drop shutty. Pops right out of there. Nice detent. Let's do that again. Look at that snap. That's beautiful. Let's go over the specs on this. The blade length is 3.1 inches. The handle is 4 inches. Altogether, we're at 7.1 inches in total length. Really nice. 14C28N blade steel. So that's always a nice thing. Liner lock. As you saw, we can easily deploy it. Really feels good in the hand. I do feel the clip right in here. That could become a hot spot if you're doing a lot of cutting. Some people might not notice that because of where your finger falls. Might be different than mine. So your mileage may vary. But look at that. That's beautiful. Now let's get a comparison to some other knives to see just how big it is. First thing I'm going to put it up against is a Spyderco Para 3 lightweight. Handle-wise, the Spyderco is slightly bigger, but you have more. I wouldn't say more. It's about an equal cutting edge, just that one sweeps downward, one sweeps upward. So now we'll put it up against a Finch Widowmaker. And as you can see, handle-wise, it's slightly bigger than the Widowmaker. Blade-wise, it's got a slightly bigger cutting surface. So that'll kind of give you an idea of where this sits in the pecking order. So it's definitely a compact knife. We'll get these out of the way. Now, let's see how sharp this is. And look at that blade shape. Really nice swedging here, by the way. So let's get some paper and see just how sharp this is out of the box. Look at that. That is phenomenal. Just, I don't think you can beat that. Now let's grab some paracord. Grab some paracord here. And right through that, no problem. Let's take these two little pieces, double them up. If I can. There we go. No problem. That one didn't go because I didn't hold it tight enough. But again, let's take this one. No problem. And we'll double that up. No problem. So as you can see, this thing is sharp as anything. And man, that'll make a great piercer as well. You could easily switch to a rear grip, forward grip. It feels really good like that. It's just very natural. So I think this would be just a great EDC knife. And I think Wixco, man, this is their first set of knives. Obviously, we know they're the subdivision of Ferromonster. And Ferromonster's kind of taken the world by storm. And I think Wixco is doing the same thing. Everywhere you look, everybody's excited about these Wixco knives, including myself. I really think they're phenomenal. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. Every Sunday night, we do a live stream at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come by. It's a lot of fun. We discuss EDC gear, knives, and everything else under the sun. Food, guitars, music, whatever. It's all good. We just want you to hang out and have some fun on a Sunday night. All right, folks. As I always say, until we meet again, keep your blades sharp